Here's an interesting thought I've been having. Is monogamy natural? Or is it unnatural? Are we forcing an unnatural thing to occur in today's society? Mind you, I am not advocating for poly or a monogamous relationship. However, I am simply asking a question, sharing my thoughts with you. From the dawn of time, people have found it difficult to be with one partner. And I mean, polyamorous relationships are not new. They have been going on from the dawn of time. Men and women have taken multiple partners. It is actually practiced in many cultures today. And yet, in monogamous relationships, it seems next to impossible. Not impossible, some people do not cheat. For one person to remain with one partner and not step out in that relationship. So the question again, let me reiterate. Is monogamy a natural occurrence, or are we forcing an unnatural thing? Just my question. What's your thoughts on it? And please ensure that you like, comment, share. I want to hear from you.